Creating a support class for Checkbox. In this short video, we will create a support class for Checkbox, modeling Checkbox behavior. We have similar in support class select. You can review the API documentation and get an idea about how it is implemented. If you go to W3 School website and identify the input checkbox syntax, it has got input element and type is checkbox. We need to verify that in the constructor. Let's move into IntelliJ IDEA and create a support class inside the package Selenium UI.checkbox. Later you can add this into your framework. We will create an interface, select interface, ICheckbox, and create the protocol with the methods public void check, then uncheck. We will have a method for toggle, and finally for checking selected isChecked. Return should be Boolean, and you can continue to add more useful methods. We will limit for these 4 methods here. Let's create a class for checkbox, and we'll add to Git and implement isCheckbox and wraps elements as in select support class. You can see about this implementation in the select class and implement all the methods. IntelliJ IDEA will create the methods. Let's start creating the constructor for the class. We will pass the element, name as element, and within the curly braces, we will first get the tag name of the element, tag name equal element dot get tag name, and with semicolon. Then we'll get the type of the element, type attribute, get name and type. Let's do simple verification here. You can continue to add more resilient code here, but we'll limit for checking whether the values are null initially, then check the tag name for input and sign, and tag name equal ignore case within double quotation will verify whether it's an input. Then we will verify whether the type is checkbox dot equal ignore case within double quotation we'll put checkbox. Add curly braces. Here we will assign local variable this dot element equal the element. We'll create the local variable here by clicking this button. It automatically creates. Let's add the else part and verify the error handling inside the support class select, and it throws the error unexpected tag name. So we'll do the same. You can continue to add more and better error handling later. Throw new unexpected tag name exception, and we'll pass the checkbox and the element tag name, end with semicolon. Let's implement the method for check. When it is for checking, we need to ensure that it is not selected. And element is not selected, and element is dot enable. Also we can add check whether the element is displayed. We limit for these 3 checks before clicking into the element. In case of web element, you just have click which may toggle your checkbox. With this support class, you can ensure that element is checked. The same can be used for uncheck as well, with a little modification. In this case, element should be checked. If it is selected, we will uncheck. For the toggling, we will not worry about whether it's selected or not. If it is enabled and visible, we'll click. Is selected will be returned for is checked, and will return the element when to get the element. Thanks for watching.